Hey guys, welcome back to Tech and Gaming, and in today's video we have the Simpex VCT691RM, which is the only tripod that has fluid head under 3000 rupees. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. And this is the box of the Simpex tripod. There is nothing special on the box of the tripod. So let's just quickly open this. The tripod is in the carry case. This case is waterproof and the quality of the case is also very good. And after opening the bag, you will find the tripod. Other than the tripod, you will find 3 extra rubber grips and a silicone gel pouch. And now comes the tripod. The first look of this tripod is amazing. The metal body and the weight makes it looks like premium. You can see that the legs are little loose as they are made up of metal, but that's not a problem. The weight of this tripod is 1.5 kg. As many parts are made up of metal, that's also make this durable and sturdy. The main reason for buying this tripod is that it has fluid head. The main purpose of fluid head is to give buttery smooth pan shots and tilt shots. And by rotating these two, you can adjust the speed of the tilt and pan shots, and you can also lock them. And by rotating the dial in the front, you can change the position of the handle according to your convenience. I am very much impressed by the mounting plate, as it holds the mounting plate very strongly, and the plate also have grip to hold your camera on its place. And using this plate is also very easy. You only need to press the plate and it will lock automatically. And I'm also very impressed by the quality of the handle. The handle is made up of metal rod covered with a rubber grip to increase the grip, which you will generally found in professional tripod. This head also have markings on the head that can help you to mount your camera on the same place every time. And the fluid head also make this very easy to use. This tripod also have an bubble level so as to keep your tripod erect. And on the body you get a roller to increase and decrease the height of the tripod. Through this you can increase the length of the tripod by 30 cm. And you can also lock this by the dial given beside the roller. So now let's come on the legs. After opening the legs, you can lock the legs, which will prevent the legs of the tripod from closing. And by opening the clips, you can extend the tripod legs up to 160 cm. The legs are made up of metal, which makes them very durable. And at the bottom of the tripod, you can then hook for adding more weights. This hook is used when you are using heavy cameras or you are shooting on an uneven place. The maximum load capacity of this tripod is 3 kg, which is quite interesting for a budget professional tripod. And if you want to mount heavy cameras which weigh up to 10 kgs, then you should go with the Simpex VCT 880 Plus. And this is how it looks like when it is fully opened. So this was a small review about the best budget professional video tripod which has fluid head for smooth pan and tilt shots. And if you want to buy this tripod, the link is in description. If you find this video informative, then like this video. And if you want more unboxing videos and technical stuff, then subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell icon. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.